Hi all, in this video I'll be talking about what a widget is and what a widget block is. I use them, or used to use them when building websites in WordPress because they corresponded to the way WordPress was formatted, but widgets are part of WordPress. So I'll be talking about what is a widget and how to use widget blocks for text and basic graphics. So basically, you log into WordPress, go to this section which says Appearance, and then go there where it says Widgets. And you'll see something like this. Named areas like sidebar map, sidebar larger map, sidebar testimonials, sidebar opening, sidebar news, and inactive widgets. Sidebar testimonials, sidebar opening, sidebar, etc. are names I've given these sections called sidebars. They correspond to areas in a template and therefore positions in a page or multiple pages. So this map will appear in one or more pages. The testimonials I know will appear on only one page. They won't look quite like this, testimonials at least, because this is a slightly warped view of them. Opening times will appear in one page. For some reason this sidebars have taken parts of the background color and not all of it, and they shouldn't have taken any really, but sidebar opening, this is what sidebar opening looks like. Sidebar opening has something called a widget blocks widget. I use widget blocks here to put them on the sidebar areas, whereas I could have used a lot of different code, like instead of using widgets here, instead of using a news widget here, a widget block widget, I could have added another widget from this area, like for instance a paragraph widget, a quote widget, an image widget, a gallery widget, audio widget, file widget, video widget, etc. That could have gone there, so that sidebar news could have displayed an image instead of a news article. So sidebar news is here, sidebar opening is here, sidebar testimonials is there, one of the sidebar maps is there. Now, if we go to widget blocks here, we can open up a widget block here. What we can see is a way of formatting text and media, and even including code for other what are called plugins, which extend the functionality of WordPress. Here is this adding formatted text. Here I've used a map. I've added a map to it, so this is a picture, or it's not a picture, it's actually a location stored in something called an iframe, or a bit of code which stores maps, so you can get an idea of where the shop is. So basically, once you've added a widget like this, you go up here, give it a name, like say map here, and then you'll update it, press the update button, and your widget is added. So yeah, I've chosen widget blocks because it's a bit like the rest of WordPress. In that in pages here, in fact, it used to be a bit like the rest of WordPress. It's more like the rest of WordPress when WordPress is in classic mode. This is what WordPress used to look like. On the pages section here, we have something that looks a bit like a widget block here, with the same formatting, add media, home, update, etc. And here's a widget block, the same formatting, add media, page name, update, etc. So this is what old pages used to look like and what widgets look like now, widget blocks look like now. So basically, the widget block has a name. It can have one of many names. It can have a name of map, testimonials, etc. And when I go into the actual widgets, which will be displayed on the page, go to widgets. In the sidebar, map sidebar, we have a widget block widget called map. I could have changed this to say opening times, and let's see what that does. I've changed map to opening times, so it expects something to be wrong on the front page. Sidebar map larger, change map larger to opening times. See if that's the correct one. So yeah, the map's being replaced with the opening times now, which is wrong. So if we go back and change it to appearance, widgets, sidebar map larger, and change that back to a widget block called map. And click on update. We should see that the map reverts back to the map here. Page contact us might have the wrong widget block displaying the map here. No, it has got the correct one, so that's nothing to worry about. So basically, I'm showing you that I've made this website with custom code called widget blocks for displaying things like the map, the opening times, the map, the opening times, and I haven't demonstrated the testimonials. I'll do that in the next video. And once you've created the widget blocks, the areas that contain the information, you go to this widget section and you put them into the corresponding sidebar. So here, sidebar map larger. This is the widget block which corresponds to the software called widget blocks. So it will pull up the details, the names of all the widget blocks I've created here, and allow me to choose whichever one I want. Well, that's what I wanted to say about widgets and widget blocks in this video. So thanks for listening.